The promotion finally came. His wife hugged him, his kids cheered, everybody celebrated. And then the email arrived, effective immediately, additional travel required. The room didn't feel quite as happy anymore, because sometimes the thing you've been praying for asks you to sacrifice the very people you prayed with. He looked down at the picture of his family on his phone and quietly asked himself, if this promotion cost me more time away from my family, did I really get a raise? Nobody tells you that success starts asking questions. Every new opportunity asks for something. More travel, more meetings, more weekends, more late nights. The question isn't whether it'll cost you. The question is, who's paying? Because money was never supposed to replace your presence. Money is a terrible master, but it's an incredible servant. Its greatest job is buying back your time. Not another truck, not another watch, not another investment property. Its greatest job is buying back Saturday mornings, bedtime stories, family dinners, the moments your children will remember forever. The world tells fathers that money automatically means you're giving your family a better life. But that's only true if your success doesn't cost them you. Your children were never asking for a richer father. They were just asking for more of the one that they already have. Because one day they won't remember how much the promotion paid you. They'll remember whether it cost them their dad. Remember, Jesus asked, what does it profit a man to gain the whole world and forfeit his soul? Success was never meant to make your family pay the price for your ambition. God doesn't just bless us with provision. He calls us to stewardship. And the first people that we're called to steward are the ones waiting for us at home. So before you chase the next promotion, ask yourself 3 questions. Will this create more memories or more missed moments? Will my children remember my success? Will they remember my paycheck or my presence? And if I keep saying I'm doing this for my family, does my family actually feel the same way? If this challenged you, share it with another father and subscribe. We're rebuilding fatherhood one decision at a time. My name is Spence Harris, and I'm the Daddiez coach. From hustle to home, this is Fatherhood Rebuilt.